हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। आप लोग के एग्ज़ाम्स आ रहे हैं, नेक्स्ट वीक से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, इसीलिए आज हम लेटर राइटिंग रिवाइज करेंगे। वी हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन अ लेटर और टू in the beginning of the session. Now today we will revise letter writing, how to do letter writing, and I will tell you the format, because as far as I have seen when I checked your copies, I have seen that most of you have written in different formats, not in the format in which I gave you the letter. Okay, so I will discuss with you the format and tell you how to write the letter. Okay, so first of all, what is a letter? A letter is a written message conveyed by one person to another, generally via mail or post. So this is very clear to one and all. A letter is a written message which is sent by one person and received by another, and it is generally sent by either mail or post. Now there are two types of letters. One is formal letter and the other one is informal letter. So what is a formal letter? Formal letters are those letters which follow a certain pattern or formality. फॉर्मल लेटर्स वो लेटर्स होते हैं जो एक पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न पे बेस्ड होते हैं, ठीक है। ये कभी भी यूं ही नहीं लिखे जाते, दे ऑलवेज फॉलो अ सर्टेन एंड अ पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न। ये कभी भी बिना पैटर्न के नहीं लिखे जाते, एंड फॉर्मल लेटर्स फॉलो अ सर्टेन पैटर्न एंड they are formal in nature. Formal in nature means they are written to people of some designation, या फिर business. When we are writing, it's writing it for some business or some professional or the principal of the school. Okay, these are those persons who are not very near and dear ones. Okay, ये वो लोग हैं जो हमारे बहुत नियर एंड डियर वंस नहीं हैं। तो जब हम ऐसे लोगों को लेटर लिखते हैं, टू द एडिटर ऑफ अ मैगजीन, टू द एडिटर ऑफ अ न्यूज़पेपर, द प्रिंसिपल, द लाइब्रेरियन, द टीचर, तो ये फॉर्मल लेटर्स में आते हैं। They are strictly kept professional in nature and directly address the issues concerned. We do not talk about anything else in the formal letter. We will not ask how the principal is or how she is feeling, or we will not tell the principal to convey our love to the teachers, right? So in this type of letter, in formal letters, we just come to the point directly. Any type of business letter or letter to authorities fall within this given category. Now I hope formal letters is clear. Formal letter क्या होता है? The next is informal letter. So what are informal letters? Informal letters are personal letters. Personal letters होते हैं informal letters. Formal का just उल्टा होता है informal. They need not adhere to any formalities. They contain personal information or are a written conversation. अब informal letter क्या होते हैं? इसमें एक तो सबसे पहली बात इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स के बारे में ये होती है कि दे आर पर्सनल लेटर्स, दे आर रिटन टू आर नियर एंड डियर वंस, एंड इन लेटर्स में कोई फॉर्मेलिटीज नहीं होती हैं, कोई फिक्स पैटर्न नहीं होता है। दे कंटेन पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन और आर अ रिटन कन्वर्सेशन। ओके, इन ऐसे लेटर्स में पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन होती है या फिर लिखित में बातचीत होती है, रिटन कन्वर्सेशन होती है। Informal letters are generally written to friends, acquaintances, relatives, etc. Acquaintances, who are the acquaintances? Acquaintances मतलब जिनको हम जानते हैं. Mostly they are the near and dear ones to whom we write informal letters. Okay, now we will see the format. First of all, when we write informal letter, one thing we should keep in mind that there is no set pattern of writing this letter. In many places you will read this, that there is no set pattern of writing this letter, but you have to follow the format. In the body of the letter, that is the details in which you write the letter, there is no such pattern which is to be followed. Okay, but when the sender's address, the date of writing the letter, ये सारी चीज़ें फॉर्मेट में ही होनी है, ठीक है। You cannot write the date first and address later, or the complimentary closure earlier and the salutation later. Okay, so it is not like that. The first, second, third, fifth and sixth point, which you can see on your screen, should be written as it is, and the fourth point, that is the body of the letter, you can write it according to your own way. Okay, so first of all, in the informal letter, from the left hand side, right beside the margin, we will write the sender's address. Okay, जो address भेज रहा, जो letter भेज रहा है उसका address. The person who is sending the letter is the sender, so we will write the sender's address first. After that, we will leave one line and we will write the date of writing the letter. The correct format of writing the date is as you can see on the screen, 15 February, 2021. Okay. After that, in the third line, you will write the salutation. What is the salutation? For example, you are writing informal letter and you are writing a letter to your friend. So you can write dear friend, okay? Or you can write dear friend and the name of your friend. For example, the name of your friend is Priya, so you can write dear friend Priya or dear Priya, okay? After that, you will leave one line again and you will write the body of the letter. As I have written, as you can see on the screen, the body of the letter is generally written in 3 parts, okay? The first is the introduction, okay? In the first paragraph, you write the introduction, that is the purpose of the letter, stating the main point, कि तुमने वो letter लिखा क्यों है, ठीक है? You can, when we write informal letters, in the very first line of the body of the letter, we can write how are you, or I received your letter last week, or for last Tuesday, or for yesterday. You can write it like this. You can start the paragraph like this, and then you can write that hope you are if you are writing it to your brother or sister, younger brother or sister, then you can write I hope you are studying well, something like this, okay? And then you have to state the main point in one line in the very first paragraph, okay? In the second paragraph, that is the middle part, you will write about the detailed information of why you are writing the letter, okay? Detail में लिखना है कि आप क्यों लिख रहे हो letter in the second paragraph, okay? And in the last paragraph, you can write the conclusion, which summarizes the information that you are giving in the letter. Now there's one thing about informal letter, that we generally write a letter in 3 paragraphs, but when we write an informal letter, there is no strict rule that is to be followed for the body of the letter. This that I have written, introduction, middle part and conclusion, this is what should be written, how it should be written, but you can write it in your own way also in the body of the letter, okay? After that, one more thing about informal letter is that the usage of the language that you use to write the letter, it must be friendly and casual. It should not be very formal, okay? Friendly hona chahiye, casual hona chahiye, because you are writing this letter to somebody who is near and dear to you, okay? After that, after completing the body of the letter, you will leave one line and you will write the complimentary closure, okay? For example, yours lovingly, your loving daughter, your caring sister, okay? Something like this. After that, immediately on the next line, you will write your name and that would be the end of your letter, okay? I hope this much is clear. One thing, students, whenever you write a letter, either formal letter or informal letter, one thing that you have to keep in mind is everything starts from the left margin. Each and everything that you write in the letter starts from the left margin. Even if you change your paragraph, you have to end your paragraph, the previous paragraph, you have to end it in such a way that it ends somewhere in the middle of the line, and then you have to start the next paragraph from immediately the next line, okay? And from the left margin. I hope this much is clear. Now we will see the format of formal letter. Now when we write informal letter, we write the sender's address, the person who is sending the letter. But when we write formal letter, we write the receiver's address. Okay, सबसे पहले receiver की designation. For example, if you are writing the letter to the principal, designation is वो किस post पे काम करता है या करती हैं. Okay, so you will write the designation. For example, if you are writing the letter to the principal, you will write the principal. If you are writing the letter to the editor of a newspaper, you will write the editor. Okay, in formal letter mein we do not write to, we do not start the letter with to. Okay, remember this. We write the receiver's designation first. It is the principal, the editor, like that. Okay, right after the designation, you will write the address of his or her office. to where the letter will reach. That place's address you will write. Okay, for example, if you are writing to the principal, okay, so you will write the principal, the address of your school, because principal will receive the letter when in school, so you will write the address of the school. For example, let me take the example of our own school. The principal, Kamal Girls Inter College, Civil Lines, Gorakhpur. Okay, so I hope you have understood. You will write the receiver's designation, the post of the receiver, the person whom you are writing the letter, the principal, the editor, etc. Right after that, just below it, without leaving a line, you will write the address to where the letter will be delivered. After that, you will leave one line and write the date. I have already told you the format of the date. After that, once again, you will leave one line and write the salutation. What is the salutation? Respected sir, madam, ma'am, etc. Okay. After that, you will again leave one line and write the subject of the letter. Okay, you will put the heading, side heading, subject, and then you will put a colon or a small hyphen and write the subject of the letter. What is the subject of the letter? The motive of writing the letter. Why are you writing the letter? You will write that. Okay, for example, if you are writing a leave application for asking the permission to take a leave from school to your principal, then you will write in the subject colon or dash, and then leave application for the number of days that you are taking the leave. Okay, after that, I hope you all have understood how to write the subject, and then you will leave one line again, and then you will write the body of the letter. Now, in formal letters, the body of the letter is very important. How you will write the body of the letter? You will start the first paragraph by introducing yourself and mentioning the reason of writing the letter. Okay, because this is a formal letter, the other person, the receiver, does not know you, so you will introduce yourself first, that I so and so of, for example, suppose you are writing it to the principal, so you can write, suppose your name is Priya Sharma. Okay, so you can write I, Priya Sharma of class, then you can mention your class, and then you can write wants to inform you that, या wants to state that. ठीक है, तो जो भी आपका रीज़न है लेटर लिखने का वो आप लिखेंगे. ठीक है, and you will mention it in short. In the second paragraph, you will write the detail of the matter. Whatever the matter is, you will write the detail of that matter. Whatever reason you are writing the letter for, you will explain it in the second paragraph. And in the third paragraph, you will write the conclusion and the solution. The solution which you expect from that person. Okay, that you will write. Okay, so you can also write, generally we write 3 paragraphs in formal letter, but you can also write the first paragraph and you can merge the second and third paragraph, so you can complete the letter in 2 paragraphs also. This goes for informal letters as well as for formal letters. Okay, but it is better if you write in 3 paragraphs. Okay, not very long paragraphs, short paragraphs only. After that, you will again leave one line and write the complimentary closing. Okay, the closing of the letter. For example, thanking you in anticipation or hoping to be considered positively, या फिर जो भी आपको लिखना हो. For example, expecting a positive reply from you, or your reply is awaited, something like this. Okay, a complimentary closing to the letter, which shows that now the point that you were talking about in the letter is over. Okay, so after the complimentary closing, you will again leave one line and you will write yours faithfully, yours sincerely, yours obediently. Okay, and then your name. Now that's all about letters, students. I have told you the format of the letter once again, and you can see in the previous letter that you have written, we have written it like this only. Okay, so you will write the letters like this. You can practice from the topics that are given in your books. Okay, so I hope this much is clear. The letter is clear, the format of writing the formal and the informal letter. Take care, students. Have a good day.